everyone, welcome back. I am at Walmart to complete my Ibotta weekend whiteboard bonus. That is for redeem 15 offers, get an extra $5. We also got I think it's 8 free offers for the back to school that Ibotta is giving to everyone. So I want to grab as many of those items that I can today before all of those disappear. I also will complete my July level 1 bonus. I think it's 50 cents because I only need 10 more offers for that. So I'm going to head into the store. Hopefully this Walmart has everything that I need because the last one that I went to did not have anything. I'm trying to be where the sun is not shining in my face. So I'm gonna head into the store so I can come back into the car and go over my receipt for everything. I'm gonna pick up one of these Mrs. Freshly's. They are like pastry little cakes. They're priced at $2.86 at Walmart. I'm gonna use this $1.50 internet printable that I printed from coupons.com. That's gonna leave me to pay $1.36. Then I'm gonna submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one. It's gonna make the final cost of this just 36 cents. There are still 2 separate rebates on Ibotta for Oreos. So I'm gonna grab a family size for $3.67, and then I'm going to grab 2 of the NBA Dynasty for $3.67. These 3 are going to bring me to $11.01. I'm going to use this $1 off of 3 manufacturer coupon. That's going to drop me down to $10.01. There are 2 separate rebates on Ibotta, $3.67 for when you buy a family size and a Dynasty, and then $3.67 for when you buy 2 of the Dynasty. So I'm going to get back $7.34 on Ibotta. Then I'm going to submit to checkout 51. They do have a rebate back for $1 when you buy 2. That's going to make my final cost for all 3 bags just $1.67. There is a BOGO rebate on the Chips Ahoy Golden Candy Chip Cookies on Ibotta. So they're going to give you back $2.74 when you buy 2. So I'm going to pick up 2. I'm going to use this $1 off of 1 that I printed from coupons.com. And then I'm going to submit for the other one to the Coupons app for $1 back. Then I'll get $2.74 on Ibotta. It's going to make the final cost for 2 of these just 74 cents. This brand of lunch meat right here, they're 2-ounce packages. They're priced at 50 cents. I'm going to pick up 5 for $2.50. And then I'm going to use this $1 off of 5 that I printed from coupons.com. That's going to drop me down to $1.50. Then I'm going to submit to Ibotta for $1 back when I buy 5, making my final cost for all 5 just 50 cents or 10 cents each. If your internet printable doesn't scan at Walmart, there is also a rebate on the coupons app for $1 back. So if you can't use the internet printable, you can just submit your receipt for the $1 on the app. These Kellogg's Jumbo Snacks are priced at $4.98. I'm going to grab 1. You can print $1 off of 1 from the Kellogg's Family Rewards. Now I don't have that, so I'm going to pay the $4.98. I'm going to submit to Ibotta for $2 back on 1. Then there is a rebate on Shopkick for 25 kicks when you scan it in the store and 300 when you purchase it, which is $1.30. I'll get back $3.30 in rebates. It's going to make my final cost for this 12-pack just $1.68. This Neutrogena Acne Bar is priced at $2.74. I'm going to use this $3 off of 1 that I printed from coupons.com. It's going to make it completely free and a 26-cent moneymaker. Now, if my coupon doesn't work here, I'll just submit to the coupons app. This 3-subject 5-star notebook is priced at $4.24. Ibotta's going to give me back $4.30, making it completely free and a 6-cent moneymaker. It also attaches to the 50-cent rebate when you buy 2 if you wanted to grab 2, but I'm only grabbing 1 because it'll be free after the rebate. I'm going to grab the Pink Pearl Papermate Erasers right here. It's a 3-pack. It's priced at $1.35. Ibotta's going to give you back $1.39, making it free and a 5-cent moneymaker. So I did look for the 12-pack of this brand of pencils up in the front where they have all the school supplies, and I couldn't find them. So I came over to where they have all the office supplies, and they're priced here at $2.47. Ibotta is going to give you back $2.39, making it just 8 cents for this 12-pack. We have a free rebate on Kleenex, so the 65 count, the little square box, and then the rectangle box, this is 110 count. They're both priced at $1.58. Ibotta is going to give back $1.89, making whichever one you pick up completely free and a 31-cent moneymaker. Ibotta gave us some awesome freebies for the back to school. On some food. So the Del Monte fruit cups are priced at $2.18. I'm going to pick up the cherry mixed fruit. Ibotta's going to give me back $2.50, making it completely free and a 32-cent moneymaker. The Lala yogurt here at Walmart, my store is priced at $3.32. Ibotta's going to give you back $3.23, making it just 9 cents. Ibotta's going to give us some free Smucker's jelly. It attaches to both the grape and the strawberry. Here at my store, the grape is priced at $2.18. It's attaching to the rebate for $2.54. It makes it free and a 36-cent moneymaker. The strawberry is priced at $2.54, so after the rebate, it would just be completely free. Ibotta's also giving away some free Skippy peanut butter. My store is out, so I cannot do the deal. Here it's priced at $2.34. Ibotta's going to give you back $2.53, making it completely free and a 19-cent moneymaker. Last freebie I'm going to pick up is on the Nature's Own bread. Ibotta's giving back $2.84. If you wanted to pick up the honey wheat, your cost for this would be 9 cents. But I'm going to grab the butter bread. It's priced at $2.78. I'll pay that, submit to Ibotta for the $2.84, making it a 6-cent moneymaker. Last thing I'm going to pick up are two of these Always Boutique. These are liners priced at $4.84. It is a 32 count. Both of these are going to bring me to $9.68. I am going to use this $5 off of 2 that came in the July P&G. That's going to drop me down to $4.68. Then Ibotta is going to give me back $3 when I buy 2. It's going to make my final cost $1.68 for both. This is everything I'm going to pick up. This is 15 rebates. It's enough to complete my weekend whiteboard bonus for that extra $5. I am picking up everything that's free for the back to school except for the peanut butter. So I have all my coupons. I'm going to head to checkout and then I'll go over my final cost for everything when I get into the car. So I made it back into the car from Walmart. I'm going to go ahead and go over my receipt really quickly. I did go through a regular cashier so that I wouldn't have any issues scanning internet printables at the self-checkout. So there's the bread. Well, here are all the items that I picked up. Walmart receipts are like hard to read. So all of my coupons that I used and I mentioned in the store went through completely fine. Nothing beeped. She didn't have to manually put anything in. My subtotal before coupons was $59.25, and after coupons was $46.75, and then I paid $48.66 with tax. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. It picked up all the offers except for the lunch meat that I just had to go and scan the barcodes for that. I got back $38.16 for all the regular rebates. I did complete my weekend whiteboard bonus, so I got the extra $5. I submitted my receipt to checkout 51 for buying 2 of the Oreos for $1. For Shopkick, I submitted my receipt for buying the Kellogg's, these right here. So for walking in, scanning the item in the store, and for purchasing it, I got 335 kicks, which is $1.34. And then I completed my Ibotta level 1 bonus for an extra 50 cents. Now I did try to submit my receipt for the second Chips Ahoy because I didn't have a coupon for the second one. The coupon stuff only let me print 1, so I only had 1 coupon. When I scanned the barcode, it said it didn't attach to anything that was activated, so I checked to make sure that I added it to I guess my list, and I did. So I don't know if maybe just the barcode has an issue. So I didn't get that $1. For everything that I got back together was $45.84. My subtotal was $46.75. That makes everything that I picked up today just 91 cents. If that $1 from the coupons app would have went through, it would have been free, but 91 cents for everything that I grab is still such an amazing deal. It's about $60 before coupons and sales and rebates. So yeah, less than $1. There will be a Google Doc link down below if you guys are interested. If you haven't signed up for Ibotta yet or any of the other rebate apps that I mentioned, they're always linked down below in the description box. I believe when I was scanning the Lala yogurt, it said it had 3 days left before the rebate disappeared. Hopefully it does last 3 days and it doesn't go quicker than that. So if you haven't been able to activate those yet, you can go to Ibotta.com on your actual phone, the web page, to activate those offers. It just has you sign in and put your number in so that it can send it to your account. So it does bring us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.